All right, good morning. Welcome to another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I am your host, Esco the Trader. All right, so we had a heck of a rally yesterday. Heck of a rally. Um, Never seen anything like it in my short time trading. The market literally created a Maribuza candle bigger than anything, going all the way back to, I think I looked back myself on the chart to like 2019. I didn't see anything as large as what we seen yesterday. So I'm going to start off by saying this. The last like 8 times that the market has rallied, the second day is literally giving it all back. So I'm just going to say that right now, I am looking forward to a lot of profit taking at the bell. Um, I'm playing Kellogg's Beyond and Dell to the downside, but I'm just going to wait and let the market tell me what it wants to do. All right, so we have the bell right here. Let's see what we're going to get this morning. Again, I'm expecting the market to just give it all back.
Hey,
Now, with the amount that they've come up
hey,
yesterday, I would say that they're probably going to give a good portion back. I don't know if they're going to give back the whole thing, but it's a wait and see right now for us. So let's just see what they do. Beyond just first candle taking a flush coming down over $1. That's insane. I was not expecting that to just flop right through. But let's see what we can get on this second candle. Alright, Kellogg's is definitely out of my zone, so Kellogg's is no longer in play. Let me look on the higher time frame, see if we have any. Alright, so we have a possible rejection zone I can look into. Probably bring that up a little bit. There we go. Bring this down. There we go. Alright. Had to adjust that a little bit. Damn, Beyond is just tanking, man. I was not expecting this. It's one of my key plays that I had on watch. Actually, I just had that and Kellogg's this morning. I was also looking at Dell because they failed earnings. Damn, Beyond, that's a hell of a. That's over $1. It's over $1, almost $1.50 one candle. Hmm. We need Beyond to pull back. We can't take Beyond right here. Beyond has to pull back. Alright, let's see what the damn Beyond is just coming down. Square is taking off. Square looks good. AMD is pulling back a little bit. They have news this morning. Oh boy. Beyond is just coming down too hard. They're just flushing. Look at this. Alright, Della's looking weak right here. I'm going to try to get in some Della, see if I get filled. I just got in some 50 puts for Dell. Damn. Didn't get filled. Didn't get filled at all. We'll see if we can catch him on the pullback. Okay, we need Beyond to pull back. We're not gonna break. We're not gonna catch Beyond way down here. We need it to pull back. All right, SPY's starting to rally. Qs are struggling a little bit here. think there's probably going to be a lot of profit taking on tech right now, which only makes sense. I mean, they had a hell of a rally yesterday. I need Beyond to pull back. There we go. Come on, Beyond. I'm not going to take it this low. Matter of fact, I'm going to let Beyond get back to the moving averages. If SPY can get to this supply zone, I'll take it there. But I'm in no rush right now to jump into anything. Alright, getting a little bounce here on the Qs. I'm looking at tech right now. They're starting to rally. I need Dell to come back up. I need Dell to come back up here before I take it down. There we go. Come on, Dell. Come on, Beyond. Get back up there. SPY is rallying nice and hard. But again, like we always see, first couple of minutes, they'll rally. And then they'll just tank and give it all back. Alright, Dell is in the moving averages. Nice. Like a fish caught in the net. That's what we want to see. I think I'm going to scale in half size here with Dell. I'm going to try to scale in half size here with Dell. See if I get filled. Beyond looking really weak right now. Alright, Beyond. Yeah, I'm just going to let Beyond try to get as high as it can. Here comes Dell. Did I get filled? I still didn't get filled. I'm not getting filled at all. Alright, try it again with Dell. Come on, Beyond. I need Beyond to pull back up. SPY and the Qs are starting to reject at the pre-market high level. And alright, let's just wait on Beyond. I don't want to take it here. Yeah, Beyond is just going to go without us. Alright, Qs are coming back. Yeah, here comes Beyond. They're rejecting off of, SPY is rejecting off a pre-market high. I really do not want to take them down here. They're just way too far away from the moving averages. This is not smart. Yeah, Beyond is probably just gonna be a lost cause. It was just moving too far. If Square or Qs are coming down hard. Alright, Tesla's approaching the 800, very critical level. Watching to see if Qs are gonna let go and fall. Tech is starting to come down too. Alright. Tesla just broke 800. I'm going to try to go ahead and flip it to the other side. Look at some 785 puts. Yeah. Not going to take anything just yet. I just want to see if we're going to get some continuation or if this is just a temporary profit taking. Alright, they're still at 800, so they're holding 800. If they reject off this 200, if Tesla rejects off this 200, this is not going to look good. Tech is coming down. Look at the Qs. The Qs are flushing. SPY is holding though. SPY is not flushing. SPY is literally at the top of a pre-market high. So it's almost like they're holding up the rest of the market from coming down. Oh man, Beyond just went. Yeah, they're too far away. I mean, at this point it's a gamble. And I don't want to gamble. But Beyond was my main watch. Beyond and Kellogg's. And you can see here, it just literally is going down to the bottom of my zone. This is my profit zone here. This is where I was expecting it to reject that, which, as you can see, it just rejected up here. Next candle came straight down, held the pivot, broke the pivot, came down. This is it. So Qs look like they're starting to bounce back a little bit. I'm just going to try to wait and see if Beyond can get back up here. If not, then that's just a misplay. But that was definitely the one. That was definitely the one. If I get in now, I'm literally chasing. And if SPY rallies, Beyond is going to go back up and it's just going to go against us. Alright, so it's bouncing off my key level. We just need the Qs to rally because the Qs are just heavily bringing down the market right now. Alright, Qs are starting to look like they're starting to come back a little bit. Alright, watching SPY. It's like I said, man. Market will rally in the first candle and then spend the rest of the morning giving everything back they gave yesterday. So, man, look at Beyond, man. It just gave up like over $2 already this morning. And the thing is that with the SPY holding, it's giving up all of this. So imagine if the SPY was to just flush, it would just go even more. Tesla's down at 793. Our entry could have been a retest of 800, but I don't know. The Qs just don't look as weak as I would like them to look. I have these 785 puts loaded. How many do I have? I have 4. Alright, SPY starting to rally, starting to retest pre-market high again. The Qs look like they're starting to come back. 43s, I gotta change these puts on Beyond, man. Alright, so we're at 41. So the 41s are what we have next. 41s. Alright, SPY starting to retest pre-market high again. Qs are right here at the 50. Let's see if SPY can get some momentum and break above this. The supply zone is right above it. So we have a supply zone literally $1.70 above us. A very big one. So that's my game plan right now. Looking to see if it's going to rally into that supply zone. It's having a hard time getting past pre-market high though. Qs are rejecting off the 50, which means tech is probably going to end up taking a hit. If it lets go, man, here comes Tesla. AMD is coming down, Square is coming down. Again, this could just be a lot of profit taken this morning. Alright, SPY is holding the 9. SPY is actually very strong. It's tech that's very weak. Gotta be careful here with tech, man. If you try to chase them down, they can literally start to rally and just everything can end up going against you. Tesla's taking a beating though, for sure. Alright, here comes the SPY. SPY breaks the 9. This is gonna get ugly. Alright, let's try to get into some Beyond puts here at 41.65. Alright, tech is holding. Watch Watching SPY. SPY starting to pull back a little bit now. SPY is holding this pivot. If it gives it up, that's it. VWAP done. It's coming down. Oh man, watching Kellogg's over here. I need to update my contracts. 62.50s. All right, here comes the SPY. Here it comes. Let's see what I got. Am I in? Let's show my position. All right, I'm in some puts here on Beyond. Get this out the way for a second. There we go. Justice here. All right. Yeah, SPY's coming. SPY's coming down for sure. All right, looks like the market is starting to catch a little bit of a bounce here. All right, so this is a slight pullback. The indices are creating what looks like a bear flag on the 1 minute. But again, we anticipate a lot of profit ticket first thing in the morning. All right, I see Dell at the corner right here starting to come back down. Dell needs to just flush. Dell needs to just come down to my key level at 48. All right, looks like the Qs are starting to, they're sitting right here at the key level. Let's see if they can rally above it. All right, they're starting to get a pullback now on the SPY. Qs are having a hard time getting past this 338, 339. All right, SPY starting to rally nice. Alright, SPY is struggling now, trying to get above VWAP. Qs are under VWAP, under the 50, under the 21. They're creating a bear flag, a nasty bear flag. Alright, Dell's starting to come down. Starting to get a pullback. Starting to get a pullback on Beyond. I'll add more on Beyond. I only added, I only added 5. My full position's 10. So we'll wait to see if, SPY is starting to rally now. Qs are under the 50. Alright. Let's give SPY a little bit of time. Let's see if the Qs are going to come back up. Alright, watching Beyond. Yeah, let Beyond come back up. I'm going to add a couple more. Alright, Tesla should be rallying. Let's see. Tesla looks like it's starting to bounce here. Alright, our Dell is definitely printing right here. Watching this Beyond, man. I want to add more if it starts to come back up. Alright, SPY is struggling. Alright, we're literally right here on our entry on Beyond. Alright, I was hoping Beyond was going to come back up to the moving average, but it didn't. Alright, our Dell, how many are we in? We're in 5. I guess we could trim. Let's trim 3. We'll hold on to 2. We're already green. Alright, here comes Beyond. Alright, we sold. Alright, so we have 2 left on Dell. Alright, our profit target is going to be 48.38 on Dell. So let's see. Beyond. We'll add 2 more right here. See if we'll get. All right, we just got filled. So now we got 7. I'll probably add my last 3 if we get all the way back up to the 9. Look for a rejection off the 9. So that 42, 4204. No, 4225. We'll add more. All right, here comes beyond. I'll add 1 more here. In fact, no. Let's add 2. We'll add 2. Let's see if it. All right, boom. So we're in there. So that's 9. So we're in 9 now. All right. So we have 2 left. We'll sell 1 more Dell here. Get rid of that. In case it decides to start bouncing. All right, we just sold. So now we have one Dell left. All right, here comes our beyond. Let's see if it's going to start to flush. We're in 9 contracts. All right, SPY's retesting pre-market high again for a 3rd time. Qs have reclaimed VWAP. AMD to the right is trying to break above pre-market high. So we might start to get a little rally here. Let me see how Dell, yeah. All right, SPY is rejecting again, a 4th time off a pre-market high. All right, here comes beyond. All right, everything's starting to come back down again. All right, so watching beyond, looking at the order book right now, it's pretty even, it's pretty balanced. Over on Kellogg's, which we missed our entry way up here at the top. We missed this. This was our entry. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let that go, and just watch this beyond and this Dell. If beyond can come back down to 41.25 with our 9 contracts, we should be good. All right, beyond is holding this 41, 42, 41.88, 42 level. AMD starting to get some volume. Square looks like it's trying to break the 200. If it does come down, that can hurt. That can hurt the Qs. If tech starts getting weak, that can hurt the Qs. The Qs is at the 50. SPY is trying to hold this pre-market high level. Look like it wants to come down again. It's having a hard time getting past it. AMD looks really good though. AMD is definitely holding. Square beat earnings, doing really good. They're just sitting on the 200 right now. Tesla's coming back down. Qs, here come the Qs. All right, so the Qs are coming down. Let's see if Beyond can give us something. Looking for Beyond to give us a nice flush right here. All right, Tech is holding. Tech is pulling back, but they're holding. I think this is just more continuation of profit taking. Beyond is not moving at all. It's holding this 48.80 level. I need it to come down. All right, we're going to get out of our last Dell. Dell is just looking like it's starting to rebound. So we're going to sell this last one. Get that out of here. So that was a nice win for us. All right, so we got that. All right, so right now we're just watching Beyond. All right, SPY's coming down. Let's see if Beyond comes down with it. All right, let's see what our positions are saying right now. Showing us Showing us $11 down and beyond. Now we're up $10. Okay. So we did good on Dell. We're at 635. That was a good trade. All right, Beyond is starting to go against us. Let's look for another entry. Let me make sure I have 9, because usually I'll end up selling. Let's see how many we have. We have 7. See, we don't even have 9 contracts. So our buy order for the last 2 are there. So we have 7. All right. So we never got filled our last 3. So we can hold these last 3. See if it comes back up. We can enter these last 3. I wanted the full position to 10. SPY is rejecting again off the pre-market high. Square is still holding the 200. AMD is still holding the 9. So tech is okay. Tech is okay. Tech doesn't look too weak yet. Damn, that Kellogg's play was nasty. Look, it was rejecting off our key level up here of 64.95, which was 65, and it just slowly started grinding down. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. We're only down a few dollars and beyond. If it goes back up to this 42 level, I'm looking to add 3 more to get my full position. Because I really believe that Beyond is going to come down. I really do believe that. We have a lot of range trading this morning, which is not what I expected to see. I thought we were just going to rally first thing this morning and then flush. But it looks like we got a quick pop, a little pullback. Now we're starting to get a little range. So this is doing nothing but eating up people's 0 DTE contracts. If you're holding any 0 DTE contracts, I mean, you got to think quickly. Make a move. Sell them. Take your profit. Take your loss. Try to find another entry. Contracts are a lot cheaper today, so yeah, this Beyond is just really is kind of boggling right now because it's just holding. It's creating this flag, but it's holding. It's not really doing anything. And the book is pretty balanced. So at this point, I need to make a move. I need to make a decision. I either need to cut my losses. See, we get this little baby move here like this, and then it goes back up. All right, now the SPY just broke the pivot. So the SPY can come down. Qs look like it's coming down. But then you have Beyond pulling back up again like a rubber band. This doesn't make any sense. If the SPY is flushing, Beyond should be coming back down to at least 40, 41.25. All right, so Qs are coming down. All right, Square finally broke the 200. So Square finally broke the 200, but by a little bit. It's just right there on the 200. Let me see, how much am I up right now in this position? I'm down $4. See, it's just kind of ranging within this. Oh, man. And as soon as we let go of these contracts, I guarantee you, Beyond is going to flush. SPY is coming down. Qs are coming down and Beyond is holding. It's 10 o'clock, man. This thing. Oh, man, I don't want to let it go because I have a feeling as soon as we let it go, it's going to flush. Here comes the SPY coming back down. Beyond is going back up on decreasing volume. It's going back up on decreasing volume. This doesn't make any sense. This thing should be like literally free falling. The market is going to bounce any second now. I feel it. And we're going to end up taking the L. All right, Square is below the 200. AMD is at the pivot right now, so the Qs aren't really gonna flush unless tech just okay. Here comes Square. Square's starting to come down. Tesla's at this looks like this could be a double bottom though. If you see, you got a bottom here, pop up, come back down. We're holding this 786. If we break below it, Square's coming down, man. This is not making any sense right now. All right, Tesla's trying to break. All right, Tesla just flushed. There we go. All right, the Qs are gonna come down now. Qs are gonna come down. All right, we're gonna get out. We're gonna get out of our. Let me see, 7. Beyond is just not giving us. We're out. We're gonna take a small L on Beyond. Yeah, I mean the SPY's coming down and Beyond is holding. How much did we lose? We lost. Well, we gained $3. So we got $3 on that trade with Beyond. So we didn't lose anything. So we're 2 for 2. 600 on Dell, $3 on Beyond. That's it. We're done. Friday trading, the open with Esco trading. I feel that the market is going to end up giving back a lot of what it got yesterday. If it does hold, if it does end up holding, and it starts to push through this 431 supply and it doesn't flush, then, yesterday could have been the bottom. And there's a possibility that we can possibly start seeing some more upside now. If not, with Russia, the news going on right now in the world, I would say we're probably going to go back down again. So I'm leaning more towards the bearish side, but to each his own. Just make sure you do your due diligence before you make any trading decisions. So it's 10 a.m., around the time that we like to be finished. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Esco Trading. I'm your host, Esco the Trader. Good luck the rest of the day. Hope you have a good weekend. Find some time to relax.